we are so excited to tell you that we have met our Christmas goal earlier than we could have even imagined. Thank you. Thank you to every single one of you who has made your gift this year. You have created an amazing opportunity for us. And we are so inspired that we are, of course, even dreaming bigger because we have big challenges. As you know, you've heard me talk about before this, we are excited to be able to pay our in-home workers the new minimum wage, but it's going to be an additional expense that even with the increase that Access is already put aside, we still need more, a large amount more. It's going to cost us over $100,000 this next spring just to be able to bring everybody up. So we're excited about that. We're hoping that now, with until the end of the year, that you would help us with our in-home program by being even more generous, because we know that there is so much good that needs to be done, and you are a partner in this work. So thank you, and Happy New Year!